Hello everyone, welcome to section 2. The title of this section is Preparing Data Models and Database. In this section, we will create our entity models. We will set up the entity framework core in our machine and configure it with our project. We will create the database and also create the seed data that we need. The title of this video is Creating the Models. In this video, we will create our .NET Core project and we will start creating the classes and the entity models. We will create the models in such a way so that we can use these models for code-first approach to create our database. Now let's jump into our command line and we will create our new project here. So first, let me create a directory. I will call it food pause. Now let me go to that directory and here we will create our project. So I will write .NET new Angular, and this command will generate an ASP.NET Core with Angular project for us. Let's wait till the project is created. So our project was successfully created. Now we have to do is we have to update the node packages. So I will write npm install and hit enter. Our npm packages has been installed successfully. Now we will open our project in Visual Code. So let me open our project in Visual Code. Here we can see our project folders and all the items and all the files. So this project structure is a little bit different from .NET projects. So here we can see we have views, we have controllers, client app, and www root. So this is something different. The Visual Code is asking whether required assets to build and debug. Yes, add them. Now, so we are missing a models folder here. So let's create one model folder here. So for that, I will write mkdir and models. So this will create the models folder for us. So here we can see the models folder. Now in this folder, we will create all our entity models. So I will right click and then new C# class. I will write maybe order class for the first time. So order.cs. So it will create an order class for us. If you are thinking how I'm getting this new C# class and interface and also this syntax highlighting, so for that you guys need some of these extensions of Visual Code. So here are a few Angular version 5 snippets. These are some of my personal favorite. So you can use all these, but the essentials are this one, C# by Microsoft, C# extensions, and I think these are the two you need. Also this one, ASP.NET Helper, is a very good extension. So yes, make sure you install all of these extensions, and then you will get all the features of C# languages here. Now we have the order class here. We will write the properties of this class. So what I have done is I have written the properties here before so that we don't waste time writing it. I will copy these properties and paste it here. Now few of the namespaces are missing. I will just create on the red line. I will press Control dot and it will give me the hints of what to use. So I will use the correct namespace for it. So Visual Code is very nice editor. You won't get all the features of Visual Studio, but you have enough to work with. So for datetime, we will import system. For iCollection, we will import collections.generic. For order item, we don't have the order item model yet, so we have to create another class called order item.cs. and then we will take the properties from the notepad, copy it and paste it here. Again, we will import the namespaces. We don't have the product yet, so we have to create the product class as well. Now this will take some time to create all the classes one by one. Now I have created all the classes that are needed. So first let me show you what I have written in the order class. I have order ID, I have a date property and a list of order items. So here you can see I have put required data annotation above date. As we are going to use entity framework to generate our database, we need to use this data annotation to be specific for some purpose. So now let's see order items class. So it has an order item ID, it has product, it has quantity, product ID. So this product and product ID will actually being used for mapping by entity framework. Now in the product class we have product ID, we have name, price, product category ID, product category. We can see here the name property has a data annotation called string length 50. Now in product category we have product category ID and name. In sale class we have sale ID, order and amount. In stock we have stock ID, product, quantity and product ID.